Class 50.
Natay dami na.
Wala. Class 1951. Nandito yung class 1951. Fernando Cabato, are you here? Judge Cabato.
They are hiding. Kita na kwa. Nakailan.
Wala. No, he was here. Fernando Cabato, is he here? Retired Judge Fernando Cabato. Wala. Class 52, wala. Nandito yung class 53. The one who was, the man who is three-legged, retired. May I call on Angel Villarano? Please come over. Say something. Angel, dito na sa baba.
Dumami yung pileli sa mukha. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, Manong Angel. Something! Now you know how these graduates are from Boyside.
Okay, let's go on class 54. Class 54, wala ba? Class 54. Class 55, wala na ba?
Wala.
I remember, class 55, those were that was Jack Dongwan. Wala si Jack dito. Class 55 yun eh. I remember Jack Dongwan giving me 50 pesos every day. He was delivering a big. Gamanyan Flores, the owner now of the new hotel, Cosmopolitan. Yeah.
Thank you, Manong Jerry. May pangimalim na alin na po. Apay, masapol pa eh. Awa, gusto nito yan. Pasalamat ako na ganyan tayo amin na po. And I would like to encourage every one of us to continue supporting our SLU Boys High Foundation. Thank you very much.
Yeah, class 57. Come over, Mr. Raspberry. Yeah, you introduce and say something about yourself or just say your name.
Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. While I was in America as a project engineer, I always think of Louisians. So one day I came across a Louisian and I said, we were speaking English. And then after that I said, St. Louis ka, di Ilocano ka ron. And they said, wala. So we became closer and we worked together, but in a different facility. So I'm glad that this is my first time to attend a reunion like this, and I think I'm coming back next until fate will deliver us.
Nelson Nascarin is the name. I'm an NBI. Natural born Ilocano. Yeah. I'm currently the treasurer of the association, and I would enjoy everyone to support us because I was telling the board that what's really the purpose of having an association, but to help the association, the alumni. No, so we're trying to cook up some programs for the benefit of
Yakit ni hika korete ya mano terano patingan narap o de kana edikin namaro karos to isione ka edi masyo Japanese George Kujima now class 58 Pati naman dito kayo may mesa ni class 59